Hello there, my name is Na and you are watching You Want to We Review channel, and welcome back with another brand new strategy and bring a new video actually that I'm going to share with you in today's video. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Rupee for clicks app actually that many people ask that is it legit or fake, and many people are having doubts that they are not aware of that it is real or fake website or app actually. So many people are spending their time, energy, and efforts, and they are using this app. But sometimes they don't get any advantage from that. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the whole secret and the full review and honest review actually that this app is fake or real. So I just want you to watch to the video in this video to do not miss any part of the video, because I'm going to share with you step by step that how it's working, or is it real or legit, and I will tell you all the reasons and the doubts actually that it will be clear at the end of this video. So the first and important part is that actually that review for click is created a new brand website and also app actually that you can see here, that it has a great website actually and really attractive, and they mentioned the whole things actually like 208 million plus Indian rupees they paid to people actually, and that is globally working in more than 23 countries worldwide, and 4 million plus happy members this app is having actually, but in 5 years in the business. So it is really attractive points that they have mentioned here, that so that's why many people attention they have gotten this website or this app actually to take part in that and spend their time actually. And luckily they also have more things actually that they show to people that you will have. But the first and important thing is that with this app they are paying you 100 rupees for referral, which is really amazing. But before starting or using the app, you need to understand and you need to use your mind a little bit, that is it real or fake? Will they give everybody 100 rupees? I mean, Indian rupees they will pay to everybody, which is coming almost $1.50. So that is really big money. If they pay to each individual, they only refer someone. If you refer someone and they click through your link and they sign up, you will get $1.50. And if they click and they do not sign up, again you will get actually 10 rupees, Indian rupees, which is really amazing. So it doesn't give sound actually great. The second fake thing actually with this app is that app install or download. If you install any app from this app or download any app, they will pay you 150 Indian rupees or 230 Indian rupees or 200 actually. So they will pay, I mean they will pay you different amount for each download and install from this app, which is really not great actually. Means nobody can trust all that, and they will not, why they spend too much money actually on simple download of any app actually. So how many advertisers are giving to them, that they are giving to their users actually for one download $230. So the coolest part is here also that in the third option, if you complete the threshold amount of the payment, actually if you complete, then again they will give you two verification actually. So the first verification will be fraud verification, and the second will be the tax verification. So if you just refer to the fraud verification, it's really converting, it's really amazing that people try all the time, try their best to complete the fraud verification, which is this one. They will ask for the referral links or clicks. You need to complete referrals, and you need to complete the app install and add clicks. Once you complete all these, then you complete the fraud verification, so it means you are verified for that. The second or the third thing that they required from you is tax verification. So if you complete the tax verification which they required, and tax preparation verification, actually referral link clicks and referrals, and also app install again. So whenever you complete all these, then they will tell you to download the tax verification form actually, but it is never exist. Nobody is able to download the text verification from this app or website. So that is another red flag for this app. So when so you need to think about that how it is possible that they give us that much money very easily, and they also we need to verify our accounts actually, and verify verifications actually, and after that still they create problem for us. So the last thing is that the text verification, they never give you the chance to download and complete that. So it means they only use us and use your energy and your our time actually to be on the platform. So once you give the review and you complete all these things, so then they are happy. They don't want to pay you the money actually. So think about that at the first time when the app is coming to the market, they really pay to people a little bit amount of money for the reason of that you need to just give uh, uh, reviews. So whenever they get the reviews, 5-star reviews actually, and positive reviews, then they are not paying to people. So that's why it is not a legit app. So you need to just look for any other app to make money online. So finally I can say that it's not a legit app, it's a fake app. If you want to make more money online actually with these apps, just comment me below. I will try my best to bring you the top app that you can make money from that easily and comfortably from your home. So thank you for watching. Till next brand video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments.